Here's a 2015 Honda Accord Coupe. Year after year, the Accord is showered with awards and praise. Take a look and it's easy to see why. Drive it and you'll know why. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Bluetooth hands-free link, voice-activated climate controls, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver adds, the Accord hustles through turns with fog-free steering and little complaint from the tires and never seems to be working very hard. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
For a great automotive experience, choose Bosak Honda. Come see us today at 710 US Highway 20 in Michigan City, Indiana.